In every episode, a renowned millionaire profiler follows a trail through opulent travel and rugged terrain to reveal how extreme ambitions are honed by nature. The story weaves personal anecdotes with practical tips, showing how celebrities leverage real-world ecology to develop precision, risk assessment, and improvisation under pressure. Viewers witness behind-the-scenes details of secretive travel itineraries and the extraordinary vehicle modifications that power their journeys from deserts to fjords. Nature's School is highlighted as a master tutor teaching patience, observation, and resourcefulness that translate into business acuity and fearless exploration. Each segment closes with actionable lessons showing how to apply these wilderness insights to wealth, travel, and everyday problem solving.